Charan?
Yes, sir, you can start now.
Okay, fine. So let me share my screen and we can start. Okay, I hope my screen is visible, right? And the audio is coming. Tell me. Fine. So yesterday we discussed about the multiple things, like about the LLM, about the LangChain, then the Clarify. Then we discuss about the what is RLHF, okay, reinforcement learning and the human feedback. Now today I'll discuss some basic part of the LangChain, like how it will work about LangChain, LangChain Smith, and the LangChain Serve, and we'll create some projects today, like 6 to 7 projects we need to cover, so we'll try. Okay, so first thing, everyone, please try to check this documentation. You need to try to open this documentation and I'll explain, because we need to cover all the models here, like model number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about the model input output, about the retrieval, what are the agents we have, then the chains and the memory. So please try to check, everyone, please try to check the documentation, and you can directly open the model input output section. This section you can directly open. Okay. So I'll explain the theoretical part, like 15 to 20 minutes. I'll explain the theoretical part, and then we can directly proceed with the hands-on thing. Okay. So now we have a key components here in the LangChain. So basically LangChain is divided into the three different parts. Number one is LangChain, LangChain Smith, and the LangChain Serve. Okay, and LangChain is just a framework. And now we have a different key components here. Number one is LLM and the chat models. Now, what is the LLM? So basically, these are the models that generate the text based on the input you provide, and you give them a text string and they return another text string. Means you need to take the input as a string and you'll get the output as a string, right? So definition, you can check it out here. Pure text completion models, text as an input, text as an output. Now, what is the chat models? Keep it simple. Chat models means what? It's a conversational model. Means you need to do some conversation. So whenever you type anything, you'll get the different outputs there. So what is the chat model? Second one, this one, chat models. So these models, these are similar to the LLM, but are designed for conversation purpose. Why we are using the chat models? Because we need to do some conversation kind of stuff, right? So you provide a series of chat messages and they respond with the messages format for the chat. So LLM is input as a string, output as a string. Chat models means what? You need to create the conversation based application, right? And here in the chat models, you'll get the different type of messages. In the chat models, you'll get the different type of messages, like AI message, system message is there, human message is there, right? Now third one, please turn off your mic if possible. I'll show the doc link also. Please try to check the doc link. Uh, okay, fine. Everyone, please try to check this documentation so you can easily understand what we are doing. Okay, I'll directly make it to everyone. I already sent the link in the chat section. If you want, you can directly take it. So you can easily understand what we are doing. Okay, please try to check this documentation link. So I repeat once again, in the LangChain, we have a key components, that is LLM, chat models, and number three, that is prompt. Now, what is a prompt? These are the, like, we have some temporary templates that you use to create the questions or the instructions, right? It's kind of like Google form kind of stuff, right? So we need to create some temporary templates to create the questions or the instructions for the language models, and they help you guide to the model should respond based on the, like, the context, whatever your context you have. So first one is LLM, second one is chat model, and third one, that is prompt. Prompt means temporary prompt you need to create. Then the fourth one is output passes. Now, what is the output passes? Why we are using the output passes? After the model, like after you'll get the output from the model, after you generate the output from the model, output parcels help format the response into the structured way. So basically you'll get the output in different format, right? In the text format, in the data format. So you need to convert the output into the simple manner so you can easily understand, you can easily read. So output passes, what is output passer? Extract and format information from the model output, useful for converting the raw output of the language model into the structured data or the specific format needed by the application. So these are the key components we have: LLM, chat models, for prompt, and the output parser. Output parsers means what? You need to data into the simple format so you can easily understand. Now, I'll give you the simple example here. like LLM example, and we can easily run it in the VS Code. So we have an example here. So LangChain is just a framework. LangChain is just a framework, and with the help of LangChain, you can connect with the different AI models. You can connect with the different LLM models. Now, what kind of LLM models you can connect? That is OpenAI is there. Then we have a Cohere. We have a Hugging Face. Okay, so LangChain is a framework. We can connect with the different AI models. So LangChain itself does not host any LLM thing. So we can connect with the different LLM. Okay. And now we have an example here. Example here. I'll give you the small example. We have a, like here, we need to import the OpenAI because right now we are using the OpenAI, right? So instead of the OpenAI, you can use the Cohere. LangChain is just a framework. With the help of LangChain, you can connect with the different LLM models, and we are just importing that is OpenAI, and LLM equals to OpenAI, right? We need to import it. And now if you want to get the response, so I'll give you the example here what response will get it. So example of getting a response, you can add the response here. You can add the statement here, like list the seven wonder of the world, list the seven wonder of the world. And if you want the response, you can use it the term called as invoke, right? We have a code here that is LLM OpenAI. Then we need to add here response LLM invoke and the list of the seven wonder of the world, and you'll get the response. So if you're not streaming the response, you can use it this one, that is print statement. You can use it. If you want to stream the response, you can use it the statement called as print statement, right? And you'll get the output here. You'll get this output, the 10, or like the list the seven wonder of the world, that is Great Pyramid of this, then the Hanging Garden of the Babylon, then the statue of the then the temple of like Ephesus and all. Like you get the output here, right? So this is all about the LLM. This is input as a string and output as a string, input as a string and the output as a string. So this is the first example. Okay, I hope you all understood. So this is your first example. Now I'll explain about the second one. So what kind of points I'll make it here? Number one, chat LangChain make it easiest to work with the language model, and you can use the LLM for the straightforward text generation or chat based interaction. So basically you can create the text to text or the text to audio or the video applications here, right? Now I'll talk about the chat models here. The second term we have the chat models. Now what are the chat models? So basically chat models are a special type of language model designed for interactive purpose, like conversation purpose. They'll make it, okay, and they are used to build the chat application where users can communicate back and forth with the system. I repeat once again, why we are using these are the new type of, like, chat models. Why we are using it? Because we need to do some conversation kind of stuff, right? Some conversation kind of models we need to build. So that's why we are using the chat models. And the key feature of the chat models, we have input output, means instead of the text as a string, chat models work with the chat messages, right? So you are not getting any single response. You'll get the different multiple responses there. So these messages can be form of a human, and they have a different type of messages. I repeat once again, chat models, they are using it for the conversation purpose. We have a different type of, like, messages. Number one is AI message. We have a human message. We have a system message. We have a function message. AI message, human message, system message, and the function message, right? So these are the type of messages. These are the type of messages. Now let's take an example here. We have an example code here. So for example, we are just using the chat OpenAI. These are the different type of AI messages, that is human message, AI message, system message. Okay, and then just a minute. Okay, fine. I'll repeat once again. So you please try to check this one. And we have a different type of, like, the messages type, AI message, human message, and the system message. So chat models are used for creating the chat application where user interact with the AI. They use specific type of messages to manage the conversation. So if you want the response from the model, you can use the print and the invoke statements again and again. Okay, so we have an example here. This example. So for example, system message. You have a system message. You are Michelle Jordan, and what kind of you have a message called as human message, which manufacturer are associated with. So you need to mention the system message, AI message, and you'll get the output here. So you are Michelle Jordan, which shoes manufacturer are associated with, and you'll get the response here. I am associated with the Nike brand. So this is like chat models. Okay, first one is prompt, second one is first one is LLM, second one is chat model. Now third thing we need to discuss about the prompt. So what are the prompt? This one. So prompt are essential in guiding language model to generate the relevant and coherent outputs, right? So prompts are the instructions or the question that guide language model like AI to produce the right responses. So you all heard about the chat gpt, right? What we do in the chat gpt is basically you need to write any one sentence or the word and it'll get the output. So prompt are essentially in guiding language models to generate the relevant and the coherent outputs. They can range from simple instructions to complex few short examples, right? And we have a prompt template here, the from blank chain prompt to like a prompt template. We have a temporary templates. Basically, we need to create the templates here, that the question and answer templates we need to create it, the temporary things we need to create. Now we have another term called as like output parser. We have another term called as output parser. Output parser means what? Output parsers means what? Whenever you generate the model, you'll get the output, right? And you'll get the output in different format. So you need, if you want to if you want to need the output in the simple terms, so that's why we are using the output parser. And in the output parser, you have a different key features here, like pydantic output parsers. Then we have another one, like means you have a multiple options. The chat prompt template option is there. Simple JSON output parser is there. So if you want to learn from the scratch, from the basic to the advanced level, you should know about the basic terms here, like what is the agent, what is memory, what is output parser, what is a prompt, what is LLM, what is chat models, and then only you can explore it. Okay, so you need to explore whole part here. Now I'll talk about the retrieval. What is a retrieval? Okay, once the session over, you just please check it out, the documentation here. Now I'll talk about the retrieval. What is retrieval? So basically, retrieval is the process of fetching and retrieving the relevant information or data from the various sources, which can then be used to enhance the responses generated by the language model, right? So if you want to generate the responses, you need to collect the data. You need to collect the data from the different models. So we have a key concept in the retrieval, that is RAG. You all heard about the RAG. So basically, retrieval in LangChain plays a crucial role in application that requires the user-specific data not included in the data model training set. This process is known as RAG, involves fetching external data and integrating into the language model generation process. LangChain provide a comprehensive suite tool and functionality to facilitate this process. Now in the retrieval, you need to add the documents, you need to add the CSV file. So different stuffs there, like you need to upload the CSV, WordPad file and the PDF files. And they have a different code for different purpose. So you need to check this one also, like retrieval. Then we have agents and the models. Then we have agents and and the memory. So please try to explore all the stuff: model input, output, retrieval, agent, chain, and the memory. Then we have a lang chain and the lang serve and the lang smith. Okay, so if you should know about the basic stuff. Please try to check this platform. This is like LangChain Nanonates. LangChain Nanonates. Now we need to explore some hands-on stuff. We need to explore some projects. I hope yesterday I already sent some link. You tried the link? Anyone got the any output there? Please tell me in the chat section. Yesterday we saw, like we demonstrate multiple things. So you tried and you'll get any output there? Please tell me in the chat section. I'm waiting for your query reply. Yes or no? Otherwise we'll do it, we'll solve the errors then. I'm talking about this one, like code basics and the code basics links, that is blog generations and all. Okay, fine. No, great, no problem. So today we'll do it. So basically, what you need to do is, please try to check this platform called as um, this one, Krish Naik Langchain GIT. Okay, Krish Naik Langchain GIT. You need to explore. I'll share the three links with you. Please try to explore it. First one, Krish Naik Langchain GIT. Second platform you need to access it. That is Code Basics. Code Basics. Okay, this one I already sent the link in the chat section. If you want, you can directly take it. If you want, you can directly take it. Okay, first one. First, then the second platform you need to use it, that is Core Basics. Code basics, LangChain, GIT Code basics, LangChain, GIT This is second platform. You need to try. Okay. And then here, I'll just paste it. I'll send the second, I have sent the link in the chat section, second link. First one is like code basics, second one, this one, right? Now, the third platform we have, just a minute. We have a third platform here. So I need to just check it out. This one. Okay, we have a third platform here. We can discuss about what is the chat models, what is chat models, what is like agents, what is memory, what is rag agent and the tools. Okay, so you need to try this one also, the third one, langchain crash course. So basically you should know all the things about the langchain. Okay, so I send the third link also, the langchain link. Okay, first one that is code basics, then second one that is Krish, and this one third one that is crash course. And the fourth one, we need to build some simple projects. We need to build some simple chatbots of the projects. So you can directly visit here, just a minute, this one, langchain mastercard llama and the lama to using the python. So I already sent the fourth link also in the chat section. You can try it, this one also. We need to build the 15 to 20 projects here. Okay. Now, what you need to do is, what you all have to do is just do one thing. We have a link here, this one, complete LangChain tutorial, and we need to build the multiple projects here. Which one? That is block generation, conversational Q&A chatbot, LLM generic application, Q&A chatbot using LLM, take summarization, calories health, chat multiple documents. So these are the models, these are the things we need to build, right? So what you have to do is, first of all, you need to create your account at the Cohere, right? You need to create your account at the Cohere. So I already created my account at the Cohere. So this is your platform called as Cohere. And just go to the try now section. Just go to the try now section. And where you can find out the API key, just go to the API key section and you'll get the API keys. I already created the multiple API keys here. And always remember one thing, don't share your API keys with the other person, right? Always make a secret. So this is your API key. First up, done. Now, second thing, please try to open your VS Code. So here we have a VS Code, right? And in the VS Code, I'll just make one more tab here so you can easily understand. Okay, fine. So I have a VS Code. I'll just another tab. Okay. And you need to type a query here. Go to the terminal and just type there. I hope screen is visible. Control Shift plus, Command Shift plus. Okay, so this is your terminal. Just type there git space clone, and you need to paste your link. That is, paste your link and then enter. Sorry, I need to remove this one. I need to remove it, and I need to take this another link. Which one? That is Krish Nayak link. Okay, I'll explain you the from the basic. I'll explain you from the basic. So you need to get back once again here and just try to check the repo. Go to the code section, just copy and paste it here. Control V and shift and enter. Okay, already executed. I think we already executed this one. So again, I need to get back. Where is the chat models port? Okay, fine. I already executed here this one. So you just type a query here. You just type a query, that is git clone space your link, git clone and your link. Okay, and you'll get the output here, that is complete langchain tutorials, and you can find out the multiple models here. Okay, multiple models you need to create. Fine. Or for your for if you don't understand anything, I'll just make it once again. So you need to create the new tool. Okay, and go to the terminal once again here and just type a query, that is git space clone and then paste your link. I'll just make it good, get back to the bash. So git space clone and then control V, shift and enter. I already executed. So cd space this one, tab and then enter. Okay, I repeat once again. You can directly type there cd space your path. You need to check it out. Okay, cd space complete langchain tutorials. Okay, then you need to type the ls. So I just type here ls, and you'll get the multiple projects here. For example, blockchain, block generation, conversational Q&A chatbot, then the LLM generic applications, Q&A chatbot using LLM, and the text summarizations, calories health, and multiple things you can add it. But I need to right now, I need to access the Q&A chatbot using LLM, right? But first you need to access the bash. So what you need to do is again cd space q if, and Q&A chatbot using LLM and then enter, right? Now I'll just type the ls here. So we have a file called as app.py. We have a file called as app.py. Now what you need to do is, if you want to run any project, what you need to do, if you want to run any projects, first you need to create the virtual environment. Okay, so what, how to create the virtual environment? Just type a query, that is python, just type a query python hyphen yum vnv space vnv. You need to type the file name. You can type the python yum vnv space dot env, you can type. And if you're using the bash, how to activate it? If you're not, if you're not activate, sorry, we need to use this one, python hyphen yum vnv. So I'll just get back here, I need to create the virtual environment. So you just type here python hyphen yum vnv space vnv, enter. So command not found again, just a minute, I already activated, I think I need to get back. I already activated the environment here, so maybe here in the port scanner section. Okay, I already activated here. So again, I'll activate. So go to the bash section, bash terminal, and just type here git space clone, git space clone, control V, shift and enter. So we already activated this one. Just type a query here, cd space complete, cd space complete, enter, ls, enter. And then we have a file called as cd space Q&A, then tab Q&A, Q&A chatbot, Q&A chatbot using Q&A chatbot using LLM, enter, ls. So basically right now you need to access the Q&A chatbot using LLM, right? This one you need to add it, Q&A chatbot using LLM. And we have a file called as app.py. Now I'll explain what you need to do is, so basically we have a file here and we are not using anything related to the OpenAI. We are not using anything related to the OpenAI. So we need to install, first we need to install the Streamlit. So how to install the Streamlit? You can directly use it, the pip install Streamlit, pip install Streamlit. Okay, the first command you need to type here, pip install Streamlit. Then the second thing you need to install, pip install Cohere. What? Pip install Streamlit, second one pip install Cohere. And the third one you need to install the operating system. For the operating system you can use it the pip install OS or the pip install.env. And the third one, pip install langchain, pip install langchain, pip install langchain. These are the things you need to do: pip install langchain, pip install Cohere, pip install this one. Right now you need to create your Cohere account and you need to put your key, like you need to initialize the Cohere client here. So you need to create your Cohere account and you need to put your key, right? Again, you need to take the Cohere API key and you need to put it in the second section, that is Cohere second section. Okay, now if you want to get the response from the Cohere, what you need to do is you need to set the temperature, you need to set the max tokens and the other stuff. So I'll explain the code here and then we'll run it. Okay, I'll explain the code and then we'll run it. So just a minute, I have like documentation part here. So these applications we need to build, that is Q&A and the text summarization. Q&A and the text summarizations. So this is the applications called as text summarization. You can directly take a code from the GitHub. You can directly take a code from the ChatGPT. In the ChatGPT, you can directly type, just give me the code for the text summarizations with the Cohere. Give me the code for the text summarizations with the help of this one. Right. And you need to install the different libraries here. What kind of libraries you need to install? Number one is Streamlit, number two is Cohere, and number three is .env. So why we are using this Streamlit? Because we need to create a web application, that is user interface. Why we are using the Cohere? Because we need to get the information. So used to interact with the Cohere API for the text summarization. And this one used to manage the environment variables, .env and the OS. Now load the environment variable. How to load the environment variable? So basically you need to take the API key and you need to set your API key in the environment variable section. Where you can find out the environment variable section, go to the task manager and you need to set your variable. You need to set your environment variable, or you can directly set it in the terminal, right? Now third one, initialize the Cohere client. The API key for the query is retrieved from the environment variable. If the API key is not found, means if you are using the wrong API key or if you are not using any sort of API key, you'll get the error in the Streamlit. You are not able to run the Streamlit application. So always remember one thing, why you are getting error, because you need to set your API key, you need to load your environment variable. Then the fourth one, define a function to summarize the text. So to summarize the text, function take a piece of text as the input and uses the query API to create a summary. And you need to use the different parameters here. What kind of parameters you can use? The temperature, which affects the randomness. Okay, it's another parameter kind of stuff. Like it's they have like different property for the randomness and the max token. So why we are using the max token? In the max token, if you increase the like 0.5 to 1, you'll get the maximum number of output. You'll get the maximum number of output. So these are like the default parameters. Number one is temperature, and number two is that is max token, which limits the length of the summary. Now, fifth one, set up the Streamlit application. How to set up the Streamlit application? You need to download the pip install Streamlit, and the next one, pip install pip run, sorry, Streamlit run, and the application name. So set up the Streamlit application. The app title is set and the header is displayed. The text area is provided for the users to enter the text they want to summarize, and a button is created for users to submit their text. Okay. So whenever you're typing the input, you'll get the outputs there. So when the summarize button is clicked, the app check if there is an input text as in sorry, there is any text input. If there is a text, it calls the summarize text function and displays the summary. Means whenever you type anything there, for example, a blog on a robot, you'll get the output or you'll get the summary on any documents. Okay, so this is your projects about the text summarization, about the text summarization. So just get back once again here. You can directly take a code from the chat gpt or you can directly take a code from any other application like bard or the chat gpt. I already take the code here. So this is like text summarization, and in the text summarizations we have a file called as app.py, this one. Okay, text summarization is there and we have a file called as app.py, right? Just a minute. We have a file called as app.py. Okay, I got a chatbot with Llama from yesterday. Okay, but you'll get any output there. Otherwise, you'll get the error 6638. 6638. You got any output with the help of Llama? Just tell me. 6638. I'm waiting for your reply. Just tell me fast. Got the output also. Okay, just do one thing, then share your screen. I'll just do one thing, just share your screen if possible. 6638. I need to check the output also. Okay, are you able to share the screen? I'm just stop my screen sharing so everyone they can easily do it. Okay, you can share your screen if possible. Okay, I'll just stop my screen sharing and you can share your screen now. Fast. Everyone, you just follow the process. Huh? I'll just tell you like how to run your chatbot. You can share your screen now. I need to make you a co-host. Okay, which one? That is 6638. 6638. Okay, okay. Hmm. Charan, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Can you?
Just make him a co-host. That is 6638.
Yes, sir, I did.
Okay. Okay, fine. Now you can share your screen. Any other members you run the yesterday projects like blog generation or any other projects? Please tell me because I need to explain here to everyone. So that's why. Okay, fine. So you read the same process, right, dear? Fine. Just a minute. Okay, 67A1. You tried any other project? Like blog generation or any other project? Please tell me which projects you did it yesterday. Just tell me in the chat section which project you did. Tell me fast. 67A1. Okay, fine. So basically, you follow the same procedure, right? From the documentation part, you follow the same procedure. 6638. Or you install the llama and the other stuff. Just open your VS code. Open your VS code. VS code. Open your VS code. Okay. Wait a minute. Fine. So just show me your code. Show me your code. Code. So basically, here you downloaded the Streamlit, right? Streamlit, then this one Llama. Llama also you installed. I think pip install Llama is not working. Pip
Sir,
install Llama.
llama is a file name, sir.
Okay,
Llama.py.
okay, you created two files there, na Llama and the other file.
Yes,
That is
sir.
app.py, Llama.py, and this one. So you can directly take it the API, na? API by JSON from
Yes,
the
sir.
document, right?
API for Python, sir.
API for Python. Okay, from the documents only, na? That is, you just copy and then you
It's
need to
from
save the.
Clarify, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, cool, great, no problem. So go to the terminal. Go to the terminal. You have a Clarify account, so I'll demonstrate once again so they can easily understand. You have a Clarify account? Tell me.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, just open the Clarify account. So I'll tell them once again what they need to do. Everyone just follow the procedure. If you're not able to access this one, Clarify and all. Okay, basically yesterday we created the account where then we clicked on the plus sign and we just typed there that is I have like headache, what should I do? Then you need to use your workflow. You need to copy the whole code and then you need to copy the whole code and just paste it in the app.py, right? Then again you'll get the code, one more code, right? This code that is called by API. Just copy the whole thing here and then paste it in the VS code, right? Use workflow, call by an API, just copy whole stuff that is copy API by Python, right? Just copy and then paste it in the VS code. Just make a file called as app.py, right? Sorry, llama.py. And you just paste it here. You means you need to put it your path and all. You created your GitHub file there. Like I mean, you just push your code to the GitHub.
No, sir.
No, no. Anyway, fine, no problem. You just create your file here, llama.py. Actually, they have one more process that you need to push your code there. But anyway, fine.
Sir, and we have to change this. We have to create a new method here.
Which one? Like channel clarify, get grfcc channel. We need to create a channel.
No, sir. Get response method we have to create.
Okay, we need to create the get response method. That is 2526. Okay, this one. Post. Okay, you can put it in the chat section, chat section. This method you can directly put it in the chat section because now
Oh.
you're not getting everything in the code, I think, right? You need to create the method there.
No, sir. We have to only add a single line to the code.
Okay, 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 fine. No problem then. Though this is that is the path access can be found in the account security section. Okay, okay, fine. The llama.py. Uh, okay, just do one anyway. Na, you just post your code in the chat section so they can easily copy and then paste it here. In chat section, you can paste.
Sir, the code is too long to paste.
Okay, no problem. Then fine. Fine then. App.py is there, llama.py is there, right? The two files you already created and you add one method that is get response thing, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now just go to the terminal and just open the main file that is app.py. Just go to the terminal and open the main file that is app.py. First, we need to tell them like what we need to download and you'll get the output. Okay, just Control C or Command C and just we need to tell them what we need to download. Go to the app.py. So basically, what you need to do is you need to download the Streamlit chat. Streamlit chat also you need to install, right? Streamlit,
Yes,
then the
sir. And
Streamlit
we have to install this one.
Llama.
Clarify underscore grpc.
Clarify gRPC with the okay fine. So we need to install the Clarify gRPC also, like Streamlit chat, and the Clarify gRPC. Okay, fine. Now get back to the app.py once again.
Here we have what all the
Like
episodes we
requirement.txt
have to
file.
clear
Yeah. So
decreate.
basically, we need to install the Streamlit chat and the Clarify gRPC. Fine. So you can check this documentation. No? First one, Clarify, you need to install. gRPC also you need to install. Now get back. Fine. Now app.py now, or you can directly run the file, the Streamlit. A response, the get response. Okay. If we user prompt, then okay, st.session state messages. Fine. You can directly run it now. So once you run it, you'll get the output here. Llama to clarify tutorials, right? Now you can type something there. How to make tea. Enter, and you'll get the output, right? So if you create the simple chatbot, you'll get the output. Okay, you are getting error, I think. Welcome to the tea chatbot. Mm, okay, fine. You'll get the output, I think, right? Tea terms, then the Shawan to make tea clear chat. Grocery of Japanese tea. So they are giving it a multiple output, I think, how to make the different teas,
Yes, sir.
right? Okay, fine, no problem. So this is the basic application, that is Clarify application. Participants, if you have any query in the Clarify, just tell me in the chat section. Huh? Save the file. Okay, fine. If you have any problem in the Clarify application, just tell me. You need to follow the same process and you need to create the chatbot here. This chatbot, that is the application. That is Clarify effect, this one. You know, you are not push any code to the GitHub, right? You are not created the GitHub repo and all.
No, sir.
Okay. Actually, there is a method in there, like you need to push your code to the GitHub. But anyway, it's fine. You created the applications called as conversational Q&A? No? Fine. So this one you need to do it. Yesterday we already sent the documentations to the chat section. If you want the documentations at the end of the day, I'll share all the documentations with you. Now, 67A1. Can you hear me? 67A1, are you there? Just stop your screen sharing, na 6638. So just please make him like 67 A1. Just please make him a co-host. 67A1. 67A1. So I'll directly tell you like how to create this conversational Q&A. 67A1. 67A1. While trying to create the workflow, it should predictions failed. So while you are getting error, you need to try 2 or 3 times, or otherwise you need to check the option number 2, that is custom model. You need to sometime you need to change the option. First or the second option you need to select. Then you need to try, or you need to sometime you need to wait for some you need to wait for some time. Okay, dear. Or even or else you can do one thing, you can download the urban vpn service. You can add it to the Google Chrome and just try it. Then you're not getting the predictions failed. Okay, you'll get the exact output there. Fine. So this is like conversational Q&A, right?
Yes,
Yes, is fine. Just a minute. 6739. I'll tell you later. Just a minute. Just check it out. This one. We'll do it. Don't worry. So this is like conversational API. You change the code? No, na?
I have
With the
changed
GP.
it.
Okay, with GPT with the Cohere, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. You put your API keys there in the Cohere. Okay, fine. You put the API key. Fine, great. So anyway, just do one thing now. Open your this file now. that is app.py file. Please try to open the app.py. Please open app.py.
I opened it.
Okay, fine. I need to check. First, try to install the Cohere. Pip install Cohere. We need to tell them like how to do it. First one, pip install Cohere. Just type there pip install Cohere. Pip space install Cohere. Enter. Then second one, LangChain. Pip install LangChain. Pip install LangChain. Okay, fine. Pip install Cohere, pip install LangChain. Also, one more pip install LangChain community. Pip install LangChain underscore community. Pip install LangChain underscore community.
Then,
Okay, done. Okay, fine, fine. Now you created the virtual environment here. Yes or no? No, no.
no, sir.
I think you
It was
need to create.
executed directly at that time.
Okay, it's fine now. Then it's okay. Now you just do one thing. Directly type the pip install Streamlit.
It was already installed. Sir.
Okay, fine. Just type the Streamlit run and the application name then. Streamlit run application name. App.py. That is Streamlit run. You need to change the path. Okay. Then the ls on the like this one. Streamlit run app.py. Enter and you'll get the output. So this is like LangChain application. You can type the input there. Anything. Whatever you want to. How are you or anything. How to make tea. Everybody, you all are using the same step. How to make a tea. So output Cohere
I
API
forgot
key.
to give a coherent key.
Yeah, okay. You need to put the API key there. And most of the time you are getting the same error only, like Cohere API key is error. Otherwise everything is fine.
Yeah.
Is it done? Export API, Cohere API equals to. Done. No. And again, if you are getting error means you need to create the virtual environment.
Okay, fine.
Okay, fine. You'll get the output. The response is hello. Fine. So basically, you need to create the two projects. And if possible, you can share this. You can just save your file that is app.py, and you can send your file into the in your group. Okay. The file name, the app.py and the other file. You can make it the GitHub repo and you can directly send it to your friend if they want to perform it. The same thing. Or LangChain application. Okay, anyone you try this one that is LLM generic application or like the summarization, text summarization. Anyone you try the text summarization? Text summarization. Okay, just do one thing now. 67A1, just do one thing.
Yes, sir.
Open your VS Code. VS Code, VS Code.
Yeah.
Okay. In the VS Code, text summarization is there.
Yes, sir.
Just click there and just create a one file in the text summarization that is app.py. App.py. Enter. And just open your GPT, chat GPT. We can directly take the code from the GPT now. Open your chat GPT. We can directly take a code. Okay, please give me the code for like text summarization with Cohere. Please give me the code for text summarization with Cohere. Please give me the code for text summarization, with Cohere. Enter. Okay, Python, just a minute. Huh? Okay, just copy the code now. Just copy whole thing, code, and paste it in the app.py. Okay, fine now. You need to access the whole thing, like app.py, text summarization, you need to access it.
Sir, did not get it.
Just a minute. Check the code now. First, you need to install the Cohere. Pip
Yes,
install
it's
Cohere.
already installed.
You already installed now. Just give me the code now. The import. Okay, fine. Just scroll a little bit now. Just scroll a little bit in app.py file.
Okay.
Call the Cohere API summarization text option short, medium, long. Okay, print summary. They are giving a very small code. Just a minute.
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
Just a minute. Just a minute. I have a code for the text summarization. Hmm. They're giving me a small, very small code. Control all. Copy. This is text summarization. Okay. Hmm. Just take this code now from the section. This one. Wait a minute. I only send the code in the chat section. If possible, you can take it. You can directly take a code from the chat section. I already sent it in the chat.
Yeah, did it.
Got the code there? Chat.
Yeah, got it, sir. Paste it.
Okay. Okay, fine. A response. And just remove my API key. I already have put my API key, I think there. I put my API key. Please remove it. My API key.
Okay.
Delete. Just remove it. You just put your API key now there. Okay, fine. And just install all things, Streamlit, Cohere, OS, and .env. Pip install requirement.txt you need to install directly. Or you can install the pip install Cohere, pip install OS, and pip install .env. You can
Sir,
install
did not.
separately, or if you want, you can directly make it the requirement.txt, but you are not created any file. Pip install Cohere. Then second one pip install python -env. For the .env, we have another command, I think. Just a minute. Let me check the command for the python.env. Okay, you need to try this command. Pip install python.env. I already sent it in the pip install space python hyphen dot env. No. Dot. Just type dot.env.
Okay.
Hyphen dot.env. Enter. Requirement already satisfied, no? Fine. Now Streamlit is there. Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
Already install the Streamlit. Now directly run it. Streamlit run application name. Streamlit run app.py. Streamlit run app.py. Okay, you need to add text summarization. Fine. Cd text summarization. Streamlit run app.py. I think you are getting error. Client API or a what?
So, sir, API monitor.
Environment variable we need to set.
Already previously I have set it.
Again, they are getting why you are getting error then? Export Cohere API key environment variable we need to set. Every time they are showing the error. Like only the you're getting error with the API keys. That's it. Or the different error or maybe same error. Same error.
Same error.
Mhm. Same error. Mm, just a minute, huh? Just minimize it and just go for. I think we need to try with the Gemini or what? Gemini. Anyone got any output here? Just tell me. Any other person? You try this one text summarization. Any other participants? You tried the text summarization? Please tell me in the chat section. You tried the text summarization application. You got any output? Or you are getting the same error? Please tell me. Actually, you need to say the environment is the task manager. Sir, we need to give API key in double quotes. No, it's working in your laptop 6790. Okay, it's working. Okay, just do one thing now. Just add the double quote. Now try. Uh-huh. Text summarization is working 6790.
API key is asking this.
API key. Actually, we already use the API key na, in the both the thing. Like 6790. 6790, it's working. Tell me fast. Because no need to use the double quote. Hmm. Because day before we run it, I don't know why you're getting error. Just a minute, huh? Just check the code once again. App.py, app.py from the starting. Streamlit is
Sir,
there.
in GetN we have to write a Cohere API key, no, sir.
Where?
OS dot eighth line.
8.1. Okay, you already put na os dot get env. You already put the API key there na. No need to type directly the this one that is OpenAI or like any other key. We already put it there na. If not Cohere API key, please set the Cohere API key environment variable. Mhm. Because day before only I run it. OS if not Cohere API key. Okay, just do one thing now. But OpenAI is not working. OpenAI, you need to pay something, then only it's working. You just do one thing. Please get the code for the Gemini API. Take a code for the Gemini API. Gemini, Gemini API. Or just keep it this one. Just try to access the. Wait. Cohere. Just copy the error and paste it in the chat. Again, they are showing the same thing. Code with the Gemini, GMI. Okay, library give.
Not being
They're not giving the code, no? Wait. Okay, just get back to the VS Code. One second, VS Code.
Sir, in GetN we have to pass the variable name, no, sir. We are passing the value of that key.
Where you are talking?
Eighth line.
8 line. We need to set the variable, right? And we need to
Uh,
pass the variable, but we are
we
not
have to
creating
get
it.
the retrieve. Are we retrieving it or initializing, sir?
Initializing. We're not retrieving anything.
os.getIn.
Right. You get the output there? No, no. 6, 7.
Sir,
You're not getting output, no? 6,
yes,
6,
sir.
3, 8. You're getting output there? Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Okay, just do one thing. Just do one thing. Wait. Try to access the LM generic application. Just try to access the third one. First or the third one. First.
So,
Okay, wait.
what is the document that you are supplying for the test summarization?
The documents we directly take it from this one, sir. GPT.
Okay.
So we just asked the GPT to get actually we tried day before and it's running actually, but why it's not working the Cohere? They are showing the error with the Cohere APK only. Okay, just do one thing, na. You can access this one LLM generic application. The API app.py file is not there, na. LLM
Not
generic
yet,
app.
sir.
The first one block generation, first block generation. Okay, app.py is there, but they are using the okay fine. We can run this one now. Block generation. I need to try the this one also, the text summarization, and I'll just check it out. Okay, first one we can try this one. Now just try to access it. CD block generation. Just maximize it, then CD block generation. If anyone you got any output in the text summarization, just let me know in the chat section. Huh? I'll tell you one thing: we are getting the error with the only like API keys or maybe libraries and the entities. That's it. CD block generation. Okay. Stream. Wait. You need to install everything. Huh? Prompt template, pip install C transformers.
Sir, it's
Pip
greater
ins-
LangChain, it's already installed.
no, again and again you need to install, but
Okay.
otherwise you'll get the error.
Okay.
Every time you need to install pip install prompt TML, huh? Prompt TML, pip install prompt TML. No, prompt TML. Enter. Normal
From
ML. Prompt ML.
ML.
ML, huh? Enter. Second one, pip install C transformers. Okay. Pip install C transformers. Pip install C transformers. C transformers. Pip install C transformers. Done.
Yes,
Now
sir.
pip install LangChain community. Pip install LangChain community. Other members, if you are able to solve the error, na, just let me know. Huh? Because we are getting the problem with only the API key. Pip install LangChain underscore community. Enter.
Then,
Done. Okay. Now just do one thing. You can directly run it. But wait. API is there. I
okay,
think we
again, I
need
need to,
API option is not there, no? The llama model. I think we need to use the llama. Okay. Try to blog style. Okay, fine. Directly run it. We can check then. I think we need to set the API keys also. Anyway, Streamlit run app.py. Streamlit run app.py. Output it's getting error. Generate a blog. So enter the blog topic or blog on robot. Blog on robot. Generate number of words. Anything you can type. 50. Generate a blog. Output error. It's 401. Request ID. Just a minute. The repository not found for the URL Hugging Face. So they are using the Hugging Face API. Please make sure you specify the correct repo ID and repo type if you are trying to access a private or gated repo. Make sure you are okay. Fine. We need to use the Core API also. Just a minute. Huh? Just check the core once again. Just check the code. We'll get the user interface, but we are not getting the output now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait. Get LLM or response model llama, model type, configuration max new token. Just scroll a little bit. Scroll a little bit. Okay. Response LLM prompt format. Just scroll it. Okay. st.set page configuration, generate blog icons entered. Scroll. Okay. Please make sure you specify the correct repo ID and if you are trying to access a private get repo, make sure you are authenticated. Invalid username. Okay. Okay, understand. Just do one thing now. Wait. Just do one thing. Just take a code. Just copy whole thing and just paste it in the GPT. This is like private code now, so we can't access it. The repo IDs and all. Please correct this code. Just type there. Please correct this code. Just copy and now get back. Copy and go to the VS code. Okay, now wait. Okay, PMTL C transform we already used. You already remove na this one first code.
Yes, sir. I overwritten.
Okay, fine. Now just run this one directly. 6790. This one is working in your laptop, like last one, the conversational Q&A. C6790. Okay, no, fine. Okay, now generate. Enter the block topic. The same error.
Yes, sir.
I think you have to copy the same code, like different, same one.
Sir,
You copy the same code or the different one?
same code.
Same code, now. Just a minute. Okay, wait. Just a minute. We are getting. Okay, just open your Hugging Face. Open your Hugging Face. You have an account there at the Hugging Face? No, no.
No, sir.
Okay, wait. Actually, you need to create your account at the Hugging Face and you need to take the Hugging Face token. Hugging Face token we need to take. You need to create your account and you need to take the Hugging Face token. Participants, have you run any other project that I mentioned yesterday? Please tell me. You run any other projects that I mentioned yesterday? From the code basics and the Krishna in this one, that is GitHub repo. Like except this one, what you can say, like Llama and the Q&A. And always remember one thing, you need to create your account at the Hugging Face and the Cohere. Okay, or the multiple APIs.
Where can I get the API key?
API key. No, no, no. The token you need to take. Token. Go to the profile section. Profile. Right. Wait a minute. Billing settings. Just go to the settings. Access token option is there. Okay. Create a new token. Please come. Actually, you need
Unable
to.
to create.
You need to activate everything. Please confirm your email address before verify. You need to verify it. Please check your email address. Resend the confirmation email. Anyway, wait. Again, you need to resend. Just minimize it. Na? This just minimize it. Just minimize this one and just open your this one. That I'll share the one link. Now just open it. This one, last one. We
Sure.
can try the last. Wait a minute. I have shared the link in the chat section. Just try to check it out. Today I'll just check it out all the errors what we are getting. Actually, we are getting the errors with the API. Just try to clone it. This one. Listen, you created the virtual environment there?
Not yet,
No,
sir.
no. Like
No,
here, app.py, the block generations. You are not created the virtual environment, no?
no, sir.
Okay, let's try to create the virtual environment and then try the last one. Last thing we can do. Okay, Python hypenium, VNV. This is bash now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, enter. Now type source.
Okay.
Wait, done right?
No, no, sir.
Source, source, space, VNV slash bin slash activate.
Flash.
Source slash VNV. No, wait. VNV slash bin slash activate. Enter. 6790. Text summarization is working. 67A1, please stop your screen now. Uh, uh,
Okay.
just make him a co-host if possible. You have authority, you can just make him a co-host. 6790.
Okay.
6790. Just do it faster. We need to run it. 6790. You can share your screen now. 6790. Can you hear me? Okay, fine. Okay, text summarization is working. Okay, what you did, just go to the VS Code. VS Code. Okay, wait a minute. Just give me the code. Just check me the code once again. So Streamlit, you add the API key, right? Query API key, function to summarize the text API. Okay, fine. Just scroll. You not did anything in the code, right? You not change anything in code. Only you
For
put.
ChatGPT gave me different code. I tried
Okay, they give
different.
you the code. You just change the API key, right? Query API
Yes,
key. Okay, fine. Then you open the bash. Bash now you're using the Python or the bash?
Bash.
Bash. Okay, fine. Okay, just open it na bash terminal. If possible, bash terminal. Just bash terminal and just try to access this one. I think we need to install the pip install Streamlit, pip install Cohere. You already did it now. Okay, fine. The imp Streamlit Cohere. Okay, pip install Streamlit. Pip install Streamlit. It's done. Then the second one, pip install Cohere. Pip install Cohere. Then third one, pip installs. You already okay, fine. Just a minute. Just type there Streamlit run app.py. Streamlit run. Streamlit run app dot. Actually, first you created the virtual environment and just type anything text summarization. You can type anything. What is a line chain or whatever you want to like a line chain and all. You just copy the thing, right? paste it here, and then summarize. Then you'll get the output, right now? So this is the text summarization. Just if possible, now you can share your code. You can save your file, and then once the session over, you can send the same code to your to your friends, to participants. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Actually, we need to create the virtual environment, for, right? First, create the you need to take a code. You need to create the virtual environment, and you need to run it. Fine. So first one is llama 2 is clear. Then the second one takes summarization. This one is working conversational Q&A. Anyone? Conversational Q&A. It's working. Any participants? Anyone? Please tell me conversational Q&A is working or not. Conversational Q&A. Yeah, this one. Q&A. Okay, just try it now. Q&A. Just streamlit run app.py. No, it's text summarization. Conversational Q&A. 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 CD space Q and tab. CD space Q tab. Okay. Q tab. Enter. ls. Okay, this one is working actually. So the first Q&A is working. Text summarization is working. Now get back. Get back. We need to try the LLM generic application. LLM generic. There is nothing is there in the LLM generic. App.py file is not there. Block generation. First one. Block generation. First. Third one. Chat multiple documents. Huh. Okay, the py file is not there. Okay, fine. Only the py file is calories health. Calories health. Calories health. Calories health. All right. Py is there. Okay, just do one thing. I already sent the one file in chat section. Just try to access it now. The one file, the line chain code basics. I sent the file called as code basics. Just do the git clone. Just do the git clone there. Code basics. Just go to the code section and clone it. Code, copy, and do the clone it. Just do the clone it. Git clone, paste your link. Git space clone, space your link. Enter. Okay, now you got this one. No, na code basics. It's not there. Okay, just type there cd space. Okay, you can directly type ls. Actually, you need to get back and you need to try it. Open the Python. No. Now try. Git clone.
Lantern
Like,
folder.
Langchain, just open it. Langchain tutorial. There only. Just accept the first one, restaurant generated application. Click on the first one, restaurant generated. No, the first one. Click it, and just access the langchain.file. First main.py file. Main.py file. Langchain helper is there, and the main.py file. Okay, now just do one thing. Just try to access the first one, Langchain helper, first file, Langchain helper. Okay, and we need to install everything. So just type there pip install requirement.txt, pip install, pip install, pip space install requirement.txt, pip space install requirements.txt. Enter. Okay, fine. Now we need to try separately. Pip install Cohere, because we need to try the OpenAI. We can change the Cohere code. Pip install Cohere. Second one, pip install prompt TML. Pip install prompt TML. Pip install prompt TML. No, only TML. Prompt ML. Okay, pip install prompt ML. Enter. Now the next one, prompt pip install LLM chain. Pip install LLM chain. Just a minute. pip install LLM chain. Pip install LLM chain. It's like pip install LangChain only. LLM chain. You already installed the LangChain, no? No. Pip install LangChain. Just type there pip install LangChain. Pip install LangChain. Pip install LangChain. Enter. Okay, now next one, what is the sequential chain? No? Pip install sequential chain. Pip install sequential chain. Pip install sequential chain. No. Pip install sequential chain. Pip install sequential chain. Or you can try the sequential function. Sequential function. I already type in the chat section. Pip install sequential function. Sequential hyphen function. Sequential hyphen function. Pip install sequential hyphen functions. Right. Okay, now just scrolled it. Okay, fine. Now just take whole code. Just take whole code. Just take whole code. Copy. Paste it in the GPT and just please correct this code with the Cohere. Because we are not using the OpenAI. We need to change with the Cohere. Please correct this code with the Cohere. Enter. Okay, wait. It will take some time to get the code. Wait. Okay, got it. Just paste it here. And now run it. Streamlit is not there. Now you need to take the API. Cohere API you need to set. Okay, you set the Cohere API. Now directly run it. Uh, pip install streamlit run app.py. Sorry, streamlit run langchain. Langchain. Or we need to run the py file now. Underscore helper.py. Or we need to try this one as Python. Anyway, first you can try the langchain underscore helper.py. .py. It's not working. Okay, command not working. Python. You just type there pip install streamlit. Pip install streamlit. You activated the environment, na? Pip install streamlit. And now try the last one. Run langchain helper.py. Main.py. Just run it the main.py second file. Second. Pip install main.py. Run main.py. File does not exist. Okay, just do one thing. Just stop your screen sharing. I'll share my screen now. Okay, fine. Langchain application. No, you are getting error. Secret key. Query API key. You need to, in the secret key, I think you need to set your key, I think. Secret key section. Okay, wait. Secret key, third file, secret key. Okay, they said you need to set the OpenAI API key, means instead of the OpenAI, you can type the Cohere. You need to set your API key. You already created the virtual environment, right? Cohere API key you need to take. You need to set. Again, you need to take the second one, that is Sir Papi key. Just visit the website called Sir Papi. Sir Papi API. That is SERP API. You need to take the API key, Google search API key. Actually, they are using the Google search API. So, okay. So you can use the multiple platforms here to to access the information. They are using the DuckDuckGo browser APIs. They are using the DALI APIs to get the informations about the images and all. So you need to create the account, free plan. Okay, successfully logged in into the. You're not getting any option there. Free plan, huh? Okay, you need to verify your email. First one first. Hmm. Just confirm your email. You can set your mobile number and everything. Okay, you already activated your account. Now take the API key and paste your API key here. Fine. Now run it directly. What? One validation error co-validator did not find the Cohere API key. You already use. Okay, just do one thing now. In the Cohere, just create the one API. One create a new API na. Create API new API in the Cohere. You have a Cohere account na. Create a new API, new trial key, new trial key, and then paste it there. Uh, actually, the code is bit like. Okay, now it's working. I think. Clicked on the Indian, Italian. It's still running. Still running. Wait. Actually, we need to take we get the output here. Uh, they have three files now, or two files. Three files, I think. We need to run the first file also. Langchain. That is Langchain. So we'll get the output there. The first file also we need to run. That is Langchain helper.py. Langchain helper.py. What happened? Still running. Just get back to the previous one now. The previous tab, localhost previous tab. The restaurant name, main.py one. Just open the localhost now, in the Chrome. This one, like streamlit main.py, and check if we are getting any output or not. Okay, we are getting the this one only. Actually, we need to have like the LangChain helper is not working. Helper. Okay, fine. It's okay. It's okay. Now try to access. Now it's okay. It's okay. We'll try this one later. Just try to access the second one. News research article. Second. The last projects we can run. Second. News article. They have a file called. There is only one file, na main.py. Just open it. Main.py. News article. News research article. Second project. Second. In the same, second one, right? The main.py file is there. Okay, fine. The last projects we can run it. This one last. Just go to the like terminal and try to install all the libraries and the packages like Streamlit, OS, Pickle, Time, Retrieval with the like source chain. Pip install. I'll tell you. Just pip install. Pip install OS. Okay, it's not working. Second one, pip install Streamlit. Pip install Streamlit. Enter. Third one, pip install Pickle. Pip install Pickle. Enter. No, KLE, yeah. Pickle. Just a minute. What we have the command pip install Pickle. Just a minute. Pip install Pickle 5. Pip install Pickle 5. I have sent in chat section. Pip install Pickle 5. Hmm. Then the next one, pip install Time. Pip install Time. Pip install Time. Pip install Time Python. Pip install Time Python. I already sent in chat section. Retrieval QA with source chain. Pip install retrieval QA with source chain. Then the next one, pip install LangChain. This one is a bit difficult, okay? Pip install LangChain. Pip install LangChain. Then pip install OpenAI embedding. That is Cohere embedding. You can add that pip install Cohere embedding. Pip install Cohere embedding. Okay, it's not working. Pip install face FAISS. Pip install FAISS. Okay, it's not working. Just a minute. Pip install FAISS. Okay, just a minute. Pip install FAI CPU. Pip install FAISS, no? Pip install FAISS. FAISS. Pip install FAISS. It's not working. Pip install FAISS hyphen CPU. Hyphen CPU. Hyphen CPU. Okay, fine. Hyphen CPU. Unstructured URL loader. Just a minute. Pip install unstructured URL loader. Pip install unstructured URL loader. So pip install unstructured. Just type here pip install unstructured. Pip install unstructured. Pip install unstructured. Pip install unstructured. Okay, now just do one thing. Just take whole code and then change it with the Cohere. Just take a whole code and change it with the Cohere. Okay, just take whole code. Just take whole code, paste it there. And one more thing, we have a requirement.txt file there, no? I think requirement.txt file is there, like in the second project. Which one? So just do one thing, just type there pip install requirements.txt. Pip install requirements.txt. No need to install separately, sorry. Pip install requirements.txt. Enter. Pip install requirements.txt. Why it's not working? Just check the requirements.file. Requirements. It's txt only, no? Enter. Txt. Uh-huh. Pip install requirements.txt. Okay, fine. We already installed all the things, right? Now just type. Okay, now just do one thing. Just directly run it now. Alright, we need to install the code pickle. Okay, fine. Just directly run it. .env also we need to install. Pip install .env. Pip install .env. 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 Enter. Cohere API key is there. The option for the Cohere API where we can put the Cohere API. Take environment variable from the especially Cohere API key. Just scroll it. Scroll. Okay, fine. Actually, we need to create the environment file there. The .env file option is there, I think. .env, huh? We need to put the API key here. That is Cohere API key. Just type there Cohere API key. Just copy and put it there. And now run it. Pip install Streamlit. Streamlit run app.py. Sorry, main.py. Hmm? This is different now. Okay, one more you need to install pip install langchain underscore community. Pip install langchain underscore community. Langchain underscore community. And now run it. Okay, we got the now we need to take the output now. News research article. So URL, you can take any three URL here and you can ask the question. So URL number one, URL number two, and URL number three. Take the three URL like news URL you can take news articles, news URL, newspaper URL you can take. The first one. Just take this one, the Indian Express. Fine, and put it there. Now take the second URL. And the third one. Okay, fine. Process the URL. Data loading started. Wait now. I don't know why, how much time it will take. Okay, it will take too much time because you are processing the things from the three different article now. Or just do one thing, just stop, click on the stop, or just refresh it. If possible, just refresh it. User agent. You are getting error with the user agent, no? Or splitter. Just a minute. Result site packages. Hmm. Check your code. N.py. Just a minute. News research articles, news side inside bar URL processing URL process. You just scroll a little bit. User clicked. Okay, data loading started. Data loader load. Take splitter. The second one, I think we are getting error. Data split data into the chunks. Take splitter. Just scroll. Okay, embedding vector started. Then the questions. We need to ask the question. The three things we need to do now. Now check. Just run it once again. User agent means second and third one. Third one we will get the error. Mm. Have you installed this one recursive character text splitter? That unstructured URL loader we installed it, na? No, na? Check the first option that is import, like first line. Just scroll up and check the first line. Which one that is recursive? And this one we need to install retrieval Q&A with the source chain and the text splitter. I need to check the command for the text splitter. Just a minute. Recursive text splitter. Recursive text splitter. Semantics text splitter. Okay, you can try this command. Semantics text splitter. I already sent in chat section. Pip install semantic text splitter. Pip install semantics hyphen text splitter. Enter. Okay, now which one is next? Retrieval Q&A with source chain, no? Retrieval Q&A, retrieval QA with source chain. PIP, PIP install. Enter. Uh, okay, this one is working with the line chain only, so no need to install this one. Now you can run it. You can run it now. Okay. Only you can take the one URL. No need to take the three URL. Take the one URL and you can ask a question. Any single question you can ask. Again, user agent. Okay, just take the URL user agent error and put it in the GPT. User agent error you can take. Why we are getting error with the user agent and put it in the GPT. Solve this error. The key error, user agent error you are encountering suggests that the coherent embedding class is impeding to access the user agent. Solution state, check environment variable, ensure that you have accessory environment variable, set up the user agent key should typically be the part of the settings when initializing client. Update the initializing coherent embeddings. Okay, we need to install this one. You may need to initialize the coherent embedding. Just a minute, just a minute. Cohere embeddings. And which one is there? Like the next one, which just scroll now, like the error. Okay, update the initialization cohere packages. Cohere embeddings. Actually, we are getting error with the cohere embeddings. The necessary parameter, especially the default environment variables, aren't being set correctly. Example. Anyway, we'll do it later. This one. Okay, I'll solve the error and I'll get back to you tomorrow. I'll share the another now. I need to share my screen. I'll just talk with the like other things like what you need to do. Okay, just stop your screen sharing. Okay. So basically, you need to try at least every single project. So what you need to do, I hope my screen is visible now. So basically, you need to run all the projects from the code basics. Now you need to run the code basics Q&A thing. You need to check the requirement.txt file. In the requirement.txt file, you need to install all the packages, libraries, and the entities like LangChain, Python, Streamlit, Tick, Token Phase, then the protobuf. Okay, and once you install it, you need to run it with the help of Streamlit or with the help of Chainlit. Also, if you're gonna start everything from the scratch, then please try to check it out this platform. What you can say that is like RLHF. I'll show you. Okay, just a minute. This one also you need to do it, or you need to run all the projects from this platform. Also, please try to explore all the documentation. Also, try to explore all the documentation from the nanodes. Then only you can understand like what is agent, what are the agents, then the like memory and the other things like LangChains and the LangSmith. Also try to explore the documentations from the OpenAI, Cohere, and the Gemini. OpenAI, Cohere, and the Gemini. Now I'll talk about the RLHF. So in simple terms, so basically your chat GPT or your generative AI. So basically what is the generative AI? Generative AI like made by two different things. Number one is like generative and number two is AI. So we can generate the things. It could be audio, it could be a video and the documents, right? So what is RLHF? So RLHF stands for the enforcement learning from the human feedback. RLHF stands for the reinforcement learning from the human feedback. It is a method to use to improve the machine learning models, especially in the natural language processing task. The main idea is to enhance the how well a model understand and generate a human-like responses. So if you want the human-like responses, you need to follow this one. That is RLHF. Okay, stands for the reinforcement learning for the human feedback. And you need to check the differences between the LLM versus NLP, that is natural language processing. You need to check the differences between the NLHF, and you need to check how perplexity thing, how many responses will get it in the like LLM, and how many responses will get it in the this one NLP, that is natural language processing, and which one is most best one, right? So how RLHF works? So initially, a language model is trained on the large data set of text, helping it learn grammar, fact, and some context. So basically, you need to check the combination of words and you need to predict the next one. Then the user feedback, once the model is up and running, user interact with it, providing the responses to its output, and user might indicates whether a response was helpful, accurate, or the relevant. This is all about the user feedback. Then second one, learning from the feedback. This feedback is then used to fine tune the model. So you should know about what is fine tuning, what is reverse fine tuning by reinforcing good responses and discouraging the poor ones. Means you need to take the good responses and discouraging the poor one. And you can take you can take the different examples here. So RLHF is a technique that helps improve language models using feedback from the real users. It allows models to learn from interaction, making them better at understanding and responding to the human queries. By continuously incorporating user feedback, model can adapt to users' preferences and improve over time. So please try to learn, please try to check the articles related to the RLHF. Okay, RLHF articles you need to check. And by tomorrow sessions, we need to learn about the RAG and the GAN, this one. RAG and the GAN, like how to create the PDF based chatbots, how to take the information, how to get the summary. Okay, so please try to explore the RLHF. I repeat once again, please try to explore the stuff about the RLHF. This one, reinforcement learning from the human feedback. And the second one, please try to learn the things about the fine tuning, what is fine tuning and the reverse fine tuning. So you can please try to visit here like what is fine tuning and the reverse fine tuning. and how to perform a task. And the second one, that is reverse fine tuning. Reverse fine tuning. Fine tuning and the reverse fine tuning. This one, fine tuning models for the reverse information. Also, please try to explore here. There is LangChain Masterclass. LangChain Masterclass GIT LangChain Masterclass GIT and you need to almost perform the 15 to 16 like chatbots. Number one, there is simple Q&A session. Q&A applications, you need to build it here. Then the second one, you need to create the simple conversational application. Then the third one, fine tuning, like find similar things app for the kids. So the basic. Then the ChatGPT clone with the summarization. Okay, summarization option. So these things, once the session over, please try to explore all the projects. You need to explore all the projects. Please try to check it out, all the documentation part. Okay. Then the second one, that is YouTube script with the writing tools, automatic ticket classification, email generator using the LLM models. So with the help of artificial intelligence, with the help of generative AI, you can do a lot of things. Okay. For example, if you want to create the like LLM model for your college, you can create. Okay, it's not a rocket science again and again. It's been around us for a while. So please try to explore this one. I already sent the link in the chat section. If you want to explore it, please try to explore it. Okay, this one. Just a minute. Please try to take this repo. Okay, and the one more repo I share it. If you want to learn the like this one, that is agent, Mayberry, and all. Again, you can type here the LangChain masterclass, and you'll get the second repo here. This one. So here you can create the VS Code folder. Each and every single file you need to run it. Like what is the chat models, how to create the basic conversation, alternative for the basic conversation. Okay, so we have a multiple types here. What is the prompt? That is a template you need to create. That is temporary. That is Q&A options things you need to create. Then what is the agent? What is the rack? What is the agent and tool? So please try to access this one also. Like third one, the chat models. Okay, chat models also you need to access it. Please try to create your account at the Hugging Face. Please try to learn it, how to take the access token, how to take the API key from the Hugging Face also. And if you access the multiple Hugging Face application, you'll get the multiple Hugging Face application here, like stable diffusion. You can find out the files here, and you can create the same application here. So whenever you type something here, you'll get the output. Okay, you'll get any images here, for example the stable diffusion. So this is like Hugging Face. You can find out the multiple code about the application, and you can create the same applications there. So then we have ID card recognitions, LLM is there. So you just explore it. Okay, you need to check the multiple, like multiple AI models. So please try to check it out, the multiple things here. You can check the ID card recognition is also there with the help of LLM. Okay, so please try to explore the Hugging Face. And the one more application I suggest you here, please try to access the Together AI. This is the fast interface, fine tuning, and the reverse line. Okay, my tomorrow session will explore this one together with Bill. And the second one, that is Llama and the Llama 2. How to create the things with the Llama and the Llama 2. Also, please try to explore the Lab AI. This channel you need to check it out, that is lab AI, and just explore it. Lab AI. So these are the like Cohere API, Assistant API, Gemini API. Then we have like Mistral AI. Tomorrow we need to work with the Mistral AI, this one, choosing the right AI models for the synthetic data. Okay, then we have a GAN. Again, also we have Llama is also there. Then the 11 labs. So you can explore the multiple labs, multiple things. You can explore it from the LLM. Build your fully voice AI powered brainstorming partner applications with the help of 11 lab. So please try to visit here also 11 labs. Okay, this one. And you can create the multiple things about the voice, about like in a text to speech, AI voice generator, and like videos also you can generate. So please try to visit this platform. Okay. So by tomorrow session, we'll explore about the GAN and the RAG and the GAN. So if you have any query, please try to post your queries. And if you want the documentation, if you want all the links, I'll share all the links at the end of the day. Okay. So you can create your own projects and you can explore it. Fine. So if you have any query, please post your queries. And always remember one thing, why you are getting error in the generative AI, because API key, because of the virtual environment. So if you're from the second year and third year, please try to learn how to set the virtual environment, how to set the variables. Okay. and how to install the different libraries and the entities. And if you want to create your own code, you can go for the Copilot. Okay, Copilot, Clarify, Bard, ChatGPT, and you can find out the multiple hackathons also to explore the code for the code only. So go to the Dayfolio, go to the Dayfolio, and just try to explore the LLM model cells, Dayfolio LLM projects. We'll get the multiple projects about the LLM. So project using the LLM. You can try to explore the same projects here if you want. If you want to modify it, just modify it. Okay, so go to the Dayfolio and just explore it. Thank you. So if you have any query, please post your queries. Okay. And by tomorrow, I will join at the same time. We'll conduct a session at the same time. Okay. So any query? Can you hear me? My voice is audible. Hello.
Very much, very much.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay. Fine. So today I'll share the documentation, sir. So
Okay.
you just tell you just send it to them, or I'll share
Okay.
with the
Okay. Okay.
So by tomorrow we'll connect them. Okay. Fine then, participants. By tomorrow we can continue. Okay. But today try to explore the thing and try to create the projects. Find them and try to explore the basic steps there, like language modeling, fine tuning, reverse fine tuning, neural network, deep learning, supervised learning, unsupervised learning. That's it. Okay. Fine then. Thank you so much.
If you explore something and other thing, if you get any doubts on other, tomorrow class we will explain. Sir will explain everything.
Sure, sir. Sure. Thank
Yes.
you.